Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a powerful tool to improve teamwork and project management, ProofHub is a great choice. Today, we'll walk through how to use ProofHub for team collaboration, ensuring seamless communication and productivity. Let's get started. Organizing projects and tasks. With ProofHub, you can create projects, assign tasks, and set deadlines in one place. The task management feature allows you to track progress using Kanban boards and Gantt charts, making workflow organization easy. Team communication and collaboration. Communication is key, and ProofHub offers built-in chat, discussion boards, and @mentions to keep everyone connected. You can also share files, leave comments, and collaborate in real time without switching between apps. Time tracking and productivity. Stay on top of deadlines with ProofHub's time tracking and reporting tools. You can log work hours, monitor team productivity, and generate reports to analyze project performance. File sharing and document management. Easily upload, store, and organize important documents within ProofHub. The version control feature ensures your team always has access to the latest updates. Integrations and customization. ProofHub integrates with tools like Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive, making it even more powerful. You can also customize workflows and dashboards to fit your team's specific needs. With ProofHub, managing projects and collaborating with your team becomes effortless. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more productivity tips. See you in the next one.